Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. So glad that you are all joining me today. Now today's recipe, you guys, is an alternative to a loaded baked potato. And if you are familiar with loaded baked potato, you know it's a baked potato cut in half and they scoop out the inside, and then it's loaded with bacon and cheese and sour cream and chives, and it's oh so delicious. So you guys, you know, on a low carb diet, potatoes are a no-no, but the alternative is this zucchini. So what we are going to do is we are going to scoop out the inside just as we would a baked potato, and we are going to load it with exactly the same ingredients. And you guys, since you're joining me, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor by pressing that subscribe button below. And also remember to give this video a like and a share, because that's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying this content, and they will continue to spread it around. So if this sounds interesting to you, and I promise it's going to be oh so delicious, okay, stick with me and I will show you how to put it all together coming up next. All right, everyone, so what I have here in this pan are the zucchini, which I have cut into half and then cut into half again. And what I've started to do is to scoop out the inside of them, okay, just as you would a baked potato. And that way, okay, this creates a little cradle so that we can layer in the cheese and then also the bacon. So I've got a couple more here, and I will show you how I scoop out the inside. So basically what I'm doing is you could use a spoon or a knife, okay, but I've got a little scoop here, and then just a little at a time, I am scooping out the inside. And you guys, all this zucchini meat, for lack of a better term, this is not going to go to waste. This stuff looks amazing. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to follow this recipe that I saw Chef Vic make, which was a chocolate zucchini brownie. Oh my goodness, or bread, I think it was. And I am going to use this, and I am going to make a low carb version of that recipe using this. So again, it is not going to go to waste. And I had mentioned before, that is the beauty of cooking. That is the beauty of YouTube and seeing the other people that cook and chefs cooking. They inspire you. And that's exactly what they do for me. They inspire me. There's certain things that I know that I want to keep out of my diet, but that is not a problem. When I saw that chocolate zucchini bread, even though it was made with flour, of course my thought was, I can't do the flour, okay, but I can take that same recipe, modify it to something that works for me. We are in the middle of another rainstorm. We have been getting a lot of that recently, but once again, we are not going to complain. Okay, and here we have it. All right, so I have one more to do. And then once this one is done, I am going to coat these with some olive oil and some salt, and then off to the oven that they are going to go. They're probably going to bake for about 10 minutes, just so they can get a little bit more soft, and then also so that they can release some of the leftover moisture that will be inside of these. Okay, everyone, so this evening on this cooking segment, me and Mother Nature are going to compete as far as volume is concerned. She may actually win out, but I hope you guys can hear me. So in this container, I've got some olive oil. My little pastry brush, I am going to brush the inside and the outside of my zucchini. And the last one. All right, guys, next is some salt. Just sprinkle a little bit of this inside, and off to the oven these go. Again, I have heated the oven to 375 degrees. These are going to go in for approximately 10 minutes, and then I will come back, you guys, and I will show you everything that I am going to use to stuff this zucchini. Okay, everyone, so the zucchini boats are in the oven, and let's go ahead and put together the the actually filling for them. And before we do that, as I said before, this, it came out of the center. Look at this. That absolutely looks amazing, you guys. So I'm going to try my hand at that, that chocolate zucchini bread that Chef Vic put together. And I am super excited about that. So put it in this little bag and then put it in the fridge. And then the next day or so, I am going to tackle that recipe. And if it comes out as good as I think it's gonna come out, you guys, you will be seeing a post on that as well. So definitely be on the lookout for it. And here we have it. So off to the fridge this goes. All right, guys. So one of the main ingredients for these loaded zucchini boats is bacon. So I have turkey bacon here. Obviously, if I already cooked it, it's nice and crispy. So the only thing that I need to do at this point is go ahead and continue chopping it up. All right, so this has been chopped to the size that we need. I'm gonna set this aside and then show you the rest of the ingredients. Not that it's going to be any surprise, you guys, because again, this is going to be an alternative to a loaded baked potato. Okay, so now we have our bacon. We have our cheese. And tonight I am going to use a combination of cheeses. I have some mozzarella, and I've got some sharp cheddar cheese, and I want to say some Monterey Jack in here, some sour cream, and some diced green onions. So at this point, we are just waiting for those zucchinis to come out of the oven, and then we are going to move on to the next, which is stuffing them. Okay, everyone, these are out of the oven. Okay. Yes, they are a perfect texture. And one thing that I want to do, I'm taking a look at them just to see if there's any excess moisture in them, because if so, I'm just going to take a paper towel and dab that in there, because I do not want. I do not want, you don't want a soggy potato, so you do not want a soggy zucchini. All right, now at this point, it's time to go ahead and stuff. So there's only 2 ingredients that are going to go in at this point, that being the cheese and then the bacon. So let's go ahead and stuff these. Okay, everyone, so the cheese has been put in this, and that's one thing that I did forget to do, and that is I wanted to sprinkle some of this Northwoods seasoning. This is a seasoning that I got from the online market called Pensey's. Absolutely love this stuff, you guys. I put it on my chicken, I put it on my wings, I put it on my salad. This stuff is amazing. So I wanted to put some of this up here on the zucchini first before I actually put the cheese on, but it's not too late. I'm gonna sprinkle it right on top of the cheese, but it has coarse flake salt, Hungarian sweet paprika, chili cherry, black pepper, thyme, cracked rosemary, granulated garlic, and chipotle. So you guys, we want to make it our own kind of special by sprinkling a little bit of this on top. And the aroma of this, oh my gosh, it's absolutely amazing. All right, guys. Now, the last thing before they go back to the oven are the bacon bits. All right, everyone. back into the oven these go. I actually increased the temperature to 400 degrees, so these are gonna go back in just until all this cheese has melted. It's bubbly, probably about 5 minutes is all it's going to take. And then when we come back, you guys, we are going to put the finishing touches on these. Okay, everyone, and here we have it. Don't those look amazing? Oh my gosh. So at this point, all we need to do is go ahead and plate these, and we are going to give them a taste. All right, you guys, and here we have it. Okay, everyone, don't these look amazing? Lord, I thank you. Take just one, for now, that is, and I am going to make it my own kind of special by putting some of these green onions on top. Followed by some sour cream. Just like a loaded baked potato, you guys. One more bite. You guys, this is another one of these recipes that you swap it out for the original, and I promise you, you will not miss the original. This is how phenomenal this is. And obviously, it is all about the ingredients that you put on the inside, because this is amazing. Please do give this a try, and when you do, let everybody know that what I'm saying is absolutely true. And give this video a like and a share. And also, please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. The subscribe button is right there on the lower right-hand side of your screen. You guys, you continue to make it your own kind of special with wonderful recipes such as this. Again, if you're following a low-carb or keto diet, you do not have to compromise good flavor and good food whatsoever. And this is exactly an indication of that. So you guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Continue to make it, again, your own kind of special. Have a wonderful evening. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 50. Enjoy.